Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SiteGround referral links for US tech blogs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable SiteGround referral links for US tech blogs, start by visiting the SiteGround website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Log in to your SiteGround account. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate section in the main dashboard. You will see an option to join the affiliate program. Click on that option to review the terms and conditions. After reading the terms, accept them to proceed. Next, you will need to fill out your personal information. Include details such as your name, email address, and website URL. Make sure your website is compliant with SiteGround's policies. After submitting your application, wait for approval from SiteGround. Once approved, go back to the affiliate section. You will find your unique referral link listed there. Copy your referral link to use on your tech blog. To maximize your earnings, write informative content around SiteGround's services. Integrate your referral links naturally within the content. Consider creating comparison posts with other hosting providers to highlight SiteGround's benefits. Utilize social media channels to promote your blog posts that contain referral links. Engage with your audience by answering their queries related to web hosting. Monitor the performance of your referral links in the affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on which links generate the most traffic and conversions. By following these steps, you'll effectively enable and utilize SiteGround referral links on your tech blog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.